Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Dodge Journey RT and I will show you the location of a starter fuse and a starter relay. This video will apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. Both the fuse and the relay will be located in a main fuse box which is under the front hood on the driver's side. So it's right here. Now to remove the cover, all you have to do, you have to lift it up here on the left side and on the opposite side as well. Once you have the cover off, on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and right here this yellow piece, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. Starter fuse, it's a fuse number F149 and it's a 30M fuse located right here, and starter relay is just next to it, and it's a relay number K135. Now the best way to test this relay is try to replace it with one of the same kind, this one or this one, or use multimeter to test it. If the relay is faulty, just buy a new one and replace it. In case both the fuse and relay prove to be good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper, you'll have to check the wiring towards the starter, and you'll have to check the starter itself. And if it's faulty, replace it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.